Why is it that there are millions of American retirees terrified of running out of money despite saving for years, budgeting carefully, and even working into their retirement, while thousands of others like Ed and Cynthia here are retiring comfortably before their 60s? The secret lies outside of America, in hidden gems most Americans overlook. These hidden gems offer a lifestyle that's much safer than American cities and far more affordable. Today, I'm going to show you 5 destinations that are so affordable and attractive they can upgrade your lifestyle for less than the average Social Security check. First, let's explore the beautiful town of San Miguel de Allende. Located in central Mexico, San Miguel offers such a vibrant community, it's attracted over 10,000 expats. Many of these expats are Americans, like Elizabeth, a former marketing professor who now calls San Miguel home thanks to its incredible appeal. The city's cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and surrounding hills, paired with an ideal climate of roughly 60 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, will have you enjoying the outdoors daily. But what sets San Miguel apart is its tremendous affordability. Estimates suggest that less than $1,700 a month can fund a comfortable lifestyle here, as confirmed by Elizabeth, who lives a middle-class life on just her teacher's retirement fund. Consider this 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment with 24/7 security near the center of the city, available for less than $700 a month. Each week, you can stock your fridge with fresh fruits and vegetables from the vibrant Mercado Ignacia Ramirez for only $25. Dining out ranges from some of the best street tacos you can find for only a couple bucks to delicious, authentic Mexican cuisine for about $10. And the savings don't stop there. They extend to healthcare, which is vitally important when moving abroad. It's why healthcare is one of the 15 key topics covered in my Retire Abroad checklist. Available in the description below for free when you're ready to kickstart your research. For healthcare in San Miguel, there's Hospital Joya San Miguel, known for offering first-rate medical services. And there's also Hospital Mac, which has state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. Once you gain legal residency, you can enroll in Mexico's public healthcare system. The Instituto Mexicano del Seguro Social, or IMSS for short. But it's highly recommended you look into private options, like Cigna Global, to ensure you have a comprehensive plan that protects yourself across the board. Now, speaking of gaining legal residency, you have 2 options. Apply for the temporary visa or immediately go for the permanent visa route. While the permanent visa allows you to have this be a one-and-done process, it's also much costlier. You'll need to prove you have nearly $300,000 in savings or a monthly pension of over $7,000. However, for the temporary visa, a much more doable $63,000 in savings makes you eligible. The temporary visa route is a cost-effective one as it grants residency for 1 year, with an option to renew for an additional 3 years as you plan your long-term future. For taxes, you'll love to hear that the U.S. and Mexico have a tax treaty offering significant benefits, like the foreign tax credit, a dollar-for-dollar credit against U.S. taxes, and the foreign earned income exclusion, allowing Americans to exclude up to $126,500 of their earned income from taxation. While San Miguel seems tough to beat, this next country earned International Living's top spot for best places to retire in 2025. The beauty of Panama alone is enough to attract most retirees to live out their golden years in this Latin American country. But there's even a more lucrative reason earning Panama its top spot. That is Panama's Pensionado visa, which U.S. News and World Report calls the gold standard for retirement visas, and for good reason. As you can see, you basically only need 3 things since you're already over 18. A monthly income of at least $1,000, which could be your Social Security check, a clean police record, and a certificate of health. Even better, once you gain the residency permit, the visa it grants lasts indefinitely. Not to mention all the benefits you get. Just take a look at this list of discounts, ranging from import tax exemptions to help you with your move, to utility, loan, and medical bill discounts to keep life as low cost as possible once you're there. In the town of Phuket, this only helps these benefits further reduce an already low-cost lifestyle, which is one of the reasons nearly 5,000 expats have relocated here, including Rod, who's seen the good and the bad, yet has continued to enjoy living in Phuket for over 10 years. The weather doesn't get much better. In fact, Phuket's weather has earned the nickname Eternal Spring, given the average low temperature hovers around 60 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. Another benefit of Phuket's location and weather is the food it produces. Sitting in what's known as Panama's breadbasket, this province grows nearly 80% of the country's produce and even some of the world's best coffee. It's another reason life is so affordable. When taking a look at Panama relocation tours estimates, a single person could live a comfortable life on less than $1,500 a month. That rent may seem unbelievable, but as you can see, there's brand new houses going up that you can rent for under $1,000 a month. Healthcare is reasonable too. Panama's private system, which is recommended for expats, is considerably more affordable than healthcare in America, which costs up to 50% cheaper. In Phuket, there's several private clinics providing medical care, along with a public health center that offers basic medical services such as vaccinations, checkups, and treatments for minor illnesses. For more serious situations, you'd have to take a trip to the larger town of David, but that's only a $2 bus ride away. There, you'll have access to Hospital Shiraki, a top-rated hospital providing strong health care with English-speaking doctors. Lastly, when it comes to taxes, Panama has quite a favorable system. The country only taxes income earned within the country, so American Social Security and pension income remain tax-free from Panama taxation. But there's one last Latin American option, with an expat community quickly approaching 10,000 people that's really flying under the radar. Lying off the coast of the South Pacific Ocean, Americans like Ed and Cynthia are increasingly moving to Ecuador. Specifically, thousands are moving to the town of Cuenca, which has become a hidden gem. Not only is this where Ed and Cynthia relocated to, it's also where Stephen and Joanna went as well. And once you start to learn about the town, it's no surprise why it's become one of the best retirement destinations in the world. Like Phuket, Cuenca's high-altitude location provides ideal spring-like weather year-round, allowing for an active lifestyle that includes hiking at the nearby Cajas National Park or fishing in one of the park's 200 lakes. When it comes to food, you can enjoy authentic Ecuadorian food at Chef Juan Carlos Solano's highly rated restaurant, Tiestos. Or you can experience delicious American cuisine at Altitude 2560. One thing's for sure, no matter what you're doing, you'll definitely be saving money here versus in America. In total, it's estimated you could live a comfortable life for less than $1,900 a month. Don't believe it? Just look back at Ed and Cynthia, who rent a modern 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom penthouse apartment with an elevator and terrace for only $800 a month. And if we were to look now, we could quickly find a fully furnished 2-bedroom apartment for only $1,000 a month, which is right in Ordeñez Lasso, also known as Gringolandia because of how many English-speaking expats live there. Even the healthcare will likely surprise you. Not only did Bloomberg recently rate Ecuador as having the 20th most efficient healthcare system among advanced economies, but it also costs a fraction of the price. For example, a major surgery could be less than 10% of comparable procedures in the US. And in Cuenca, you have modern spots like Hospital Monte Sinai and Hospital Del Rio, offering US quality care with English-speaking doctors. Plus, Ecuador's visa process is extremely favorable and straightforward. For just $1,400 a month, you can secure a retirement visa, easily covered by your Social Security or pension. Stay in Ecuador for 21 months out of a 2-year period, and you become eligible for permanent residency. Once you have that, you may leave Ecuador for up to 2 years without risking your residency status. Similar to Panama, you'll love hearing that your Social Security check and any pension plans remain tax-free, as Ecuador only taxes Ecuadorian-sourced income. But for those a bit more adventurous, how about a place that Global Citizen Solutions ranked as having the number 6 healthcare, number 1 cost of living, and number 1 tax optimization for retirement destinations? Penang, a paradise located in northwest Malaysia nicknamed Golden Isle, has become a magnet for retirees. Take Jill, for example, who, at 68, now has waterfront views for only $450 a month. That's the thing about Penang. It has a unique ability to offer seemingly unrealistic affordability with a surprisingly high quality of life. And the affordability goes well beyond housing. For around $1,500 a month, retirees can live a very comfortable lifestyle that involves going out and enjoying high-quality services. Speaking of high quality, the food is tremendous. In fact, Penang is known as one of the premier must-visit foodie destinations in all of Southeast Asia. You'll find street food that's Michelin quality for as little as $1 or $2. As for healthcare, it's highly rated, with Penang even being a sought-out destination thanks to its affordable, high-quality care. Top private hospitals like Penang Adventist offer U.S. standard care for a fraction of the price. For example, a coronary artery bypass graft surgery would run you at least $80,000 in the U.S., but would only cost the equivalent of roughly $4,500 in Penang. And the savings don't stop there. Similar to the other places on the list, Malaysia will only tax expats on income generated from activities conducted in the country. So Social Security pensions and other incomes from the U.S. are not subject to Malaysian income tax. To make the move, retirees leverage Malaysia's MM2H visa, which is a bit more complex as it offers multiple tier options. Here's a table highlighting the different tiers. As you can see, there's quite a few categories for each tier. While there isn't a minimum fixed income requirement, there are pretty hefty fixed deposit requirements plus property requirements. But before you decide on Malaysia, you'll definitely want to compare it to its northern neighbor, whose next city landed on U.S. News & World Report's list of 10 best places to retire in all of Asia. There's a reason this Southeast Asian paradise is becoming known as the Thai Riviera. For just $1,500 a month, Hua Hin is checking all the boxes for retirees, like Gerald, a chef who traveled the world and now has planted his roots in this lovely beach town. What was once a getaway spot reserved for Bangkok's elite, Hua Hin has transformed into a retirement paradise for thousands of English-speaking expats. As noted, with the $1,500 a month price tag, Hua Hin has world-class affordability. Let's take a look at Gerald's living costs he quoted just this past year. He rents a one-bedroom condo with a twice-monthly cleaning service, a large swimming pool, spa, a gym, as well as 24-hour security for only $275. He can also enjoy nights out for less than $10 and stock up his fridge with groceries for about $135 a month. All in all, he's living a full life for less than the cost to rent a one-bedroom in Florida. Not to mention, as you're lowering your cost of living, you're also upgrading your healthcare, as Thailand's been recognized as having a top 10 healthcare system in the world. With top-notch, modern medical facilities like Bangkok Hospital Hua Hin, you can have peace of mind with their world-class technology and highly rated services. What may be even sweeter is how straightforward and affordable the visa process is. Thailand offers a retirement visa with just a handful of requirements, as you can see laid out here. For the financial requirements, it's very achievable, as you only need either a one-time security deposit of about $25,000, a monthly income of just under $2,000, or a combination of the two. And keeping with the trend of places in this video, your Social Security check remains tax-free, regardless of how and when it's transferred into your Thai bank account, thanks to the U.S.-Thailand tax treaty. So, if you're serious about possibly joining the thousands of Americans upgrading their life abroad, grab that free checklist linked below and subscribe to see more videos showing how good your life can become, like in this next one up on the screen now.